My name is Shannon Thomas. I'm the Executive Director of Community Bridges, and I'm a Summer Rise host. I think one of the benefits of being a host for Summer Rise is seeing the change in the students. As an organization that works with girls in grades 4 through 12, we are always working for students to see change and to become leaders. So it's really amazing in the summertime, in 3 short weeks' time, to really help a student, and a Summer Rise student, change and excel and understand the career path that they're going to be heading on. I think as a Summer Rise host, the one thing we can instill in our students is professional skills, time management, work attire, how to deal in a professional setting, how to build team morale, how to work in a team setting, but also work independently. And those are skills that are so transferable back at high school and when they go on to college. You have to work independently, but you also have to work in a team. And time management is so critical, and communication skills that you might text with your friends and your family, but if you're going to be late or you're going to be out, you need to call, and how to make those phone calls. I think one is the training that they receive before they come to us, and two is they know that they were selected amongst other students in MCPS, and they take the commitment really seriously, and they know that they have to finish their hours in a certain amount of time, and they're just committed. The commitment is really what shines through. My last Summer Rise student, because it's an all-girls organization and all women female staff, he started off with day one, "Did you guys really want me here? Are you sure that I can be here?" We're like, "Yes, absolutely. You bring another perspective to the organization that we don't have every day." So allowing him to bring that male perspective and the things that male students are thinking about that really could help our girls, it really actually added to our lesson plans this year. So it was an amazing addition to something that we didn't expect. I would tell other potential hosts for Summer Rise that it really is an amazing experience. I know the one hesitation is, do I really have the time? Can I really commit to this? It's not a huge time commitment for the reward that you get. The organization is going to benefit, but most importantly, the student's going to benefit. And to know that you've contributed to a student going back to school and having a better sense of where they're going to head on their career path is truly amazing, and it's worth every minute. Our Summer Rise student was able to help us change our perspective and guide our lesson plans for the year ahead.